In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add another email on your Outlook account. So if you want to add, for instance, your Gmail account on your Outlook account, first go ahead and click on the Outlook application. And you can do this by just going to your start menu, and you should see we have various Microsoft tools here. Under this, you should see Outlook. So I've clicked on mine and I've logged in with my Outlook email. So you need to have your Outlook email first for you to be able to add another email. So from here, by logging in, you have an option here to add another email address. So I'll go ahead and add my Gmail address like this, and then click on next. And here you'll be redirected to confirm your email for you to continue. So just click on continue here. If you encounter any error, go ahead and click on retry, and then go ahead and continue. So I'll check this and click on OK. And here you can see authentication completed. You may close this browser and tab to return to your Office application. Great. And here you can see I have now my Gmail account added to my Outlook account. I'll go ahead and click on done. And now here I'll wait for my Outlook to open. And here now you can see I'm logged into my Outlook account with another email added on my Outlook account. Now if I click on file here and then go to account and account settings, here you can see a list of all the emails that I have on my Outlook account. So that's how you can add your Gmail address on your Outlook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.